What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to take a look at how you can get your Acura MDX started if your key fob dies. Whether that be a dead battery or some other issue, I'm going to show you how you can still get your MDX started. I'm going to be demonstrating on a 2022 Acura MDX in this video, but it will be the same on several different years. So I've taken the battery out of this key fob to demonstrate. As you can see, none of the buttons are working. If I try to start the vehicle as I normally would, I'm going to get this message here. What we want to do is we're going to take our fob and we're going to press the back of it to the stop start button. When you do that, you'll hear a beep, and also this will glow solid. Then once you get to this point, you can go ahead and start it as you normally would. So that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.